Yeah, welcome back to me cutting up a manifold because I'm bored. Don't know why, I don't need to be doing this now. It just feels like I've got an hour to play and I just want to play. So basically we've got this exhaust which is designed to replace the catalytic converter just on a Vauxhall engine. 60 quid off eBay. We've got a cheap Chinese TD04 copy turbo. Which is roughly, not even rough, but it's above the gearboxes where we're going to be planning on putting it. So basically, we want to join that to that. Not too sure there's even enough pipe to actually do it, to be honest. But we're going to give it a go. So all I'm going to do first is slice off and leave half an inch of the output tubes, outlets, outlap, downpipes, whatever you like to call them, headers, and see what we've got left. Then we need to just work out where we're going to mount the turbo as well. Bada bing! Precisely cut with a disc cutter. I do have a reciprocating saw somewhere, but I didn't have it on me. And there you go, look, chopped. To be honest, you could buy one of these and actually you could quite easily make this for a standard round nose mini. A little bit short on those pipes. We've got loads of room by the block there. So yeah, if you want to try and build your own manifolds, just buy one of these 60 quid ones off eBay. And then that'll go in there alright actually. I've definitely modified worse. Nathan can speak for that. So yeah. I should just do that really, because and we'll just go standing around those. Bang, made it up to the exhaust. Day later we've got an exhaust system done. But that's too simple, isn't it? It's too simple! Always buy another one. Alright, I honestly really don't know what I'm doing, but it's quite good fun. So I've just sort of picked apart the collector. Looks like what they do is they weld these four pipes together, then boss the collector on the outside, so you weld all the inside up, and then you bash the collector over the top. So interesting whether we can reuse it or not, but I don't know. Worst case, we use this for mocking up and we can send it to some professional to make a perfect one. But it's all just fun, isn't it? We like doing this shit, don't we? I hate to say it, but sometimes I impress myself with my skills. Chop the end bit off, which would have gone onto the normal exhaust. Carefully cut some carefully measured slits in it, and then we smash it on the end of a TD04 flange. Bish bash bosh. What can go wrong, eh? Once this is covered in exhaust wrap, it's going to look like a £1,000 manifold. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing yet still. So that's, we got that all working there. I think, honestly, I don't think there's enough pipes there to actually go to the furthest one. So we're going to have to buy ourselves some pipe, I would have thought. Would have been nice to at least get one of these pipes on just so I can see what I'm doing or thinking and having a laugh. But yeah. That'll do, wouldn't it? It's just a turbo, just blow gases over it. Lovely. Well, what have I made? Who knows what I've made? But I love doing it, it's good fun, just have a play about. I've just done a few tacks just to see things, get a rough position, see how things are going to look and work and maybe work and not work. Whoomch, whoomch, whoomch. Yeah, again, rotation of that can all be changed, don't worry about where the inlet and outlet are poking out. I'm just seeing whether I've got, you've got enough pipes to actually do something with, So I don't know what people are thinking of this monstrosity at the moment, but looks fairly impressive. Obviously, these would be bent and go over to there. Yeah, just got some tacks on it, they can all be cut off. Turbo I don't think is in the right place, it needs to rotate round a bit more. So we're sort of, the downpipe's already pointing towards where it needs to go, that's for sure. A bit like, if we which is just technically a case of just just trying to stop the turbo, because the turbo is quite heavy, so shove something under there, just take the weight. Anyway, in principle, anyway, so that's just being like what it is. Yeah, maybe a bit like that. Obviously that flange can easily rotate around, not a problem. But yeah, I don't know. It's something to think about, isn't it? I'll take you on a little wander just so you can see. Time for the end. Da-da-da. God, looks like a bit Frankenstein, isn't it? So yeah, it's just ideas, isn't it? I love this sort of stuff, you know. Hard work, trying to think of all this and think of problems and get round problems. And obviously if I had more time and more equipment, I'd do things a lot nicer. Well, maybe I wouldn't, I don't know. But anyway, as I said, could have bought a couple of £100 worth of pipe, tried to make something, still would have done it, but 60 quid off eBay at the moment. I'm out of pocket. So yeah, as I said, don't think I've got enough to stretch, but you know, if I could just get some length of that pipe, you know, I only need a couple of foot work, if that. Bent the dipstick hole, just for the moment. That's going to be an issue, maybe later on. But anyway, it's all a bit of a laugh, isn't it? Well, till next time, back to the Mark 1.